Hey guys, Loudest VHS service to go on reader here. Today I'm going to do loudest VHS moaning noise ever. Version 11. Version 11. Outside again. Alright, let's turn this. Crank that. Let's crank that TV up. Let's just crank that TV up. Now, for the examiners and I. 1991 features of Whoopi and My Friend by Runabout Lily. This copy had the white scrub stag and moaning on the end, but it's not an EP mode, so still SP mode. Use the sticker label. Okay, it does have the barcode, but there's no weaker code. Alright. It's doing that. Yeah. It's just like in my cup, just like all these golden book tapes are have the white screen of a running sound. So it's turned up to 100. Yeah. Still 100. Alright. It's gonna be very loud, you guys. This is gonna be very loud, guys. Alright. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is going to be very loud, you guys. That was awesome. Let's crank it down.